is up? It's me, Maddie, and I'm here with another YouTube video. Today's video is going to be another DIY video. I know, 2 DIY videos in a row. This is a record. Today's DIY is gonna be another DIY I'm doing for the room. I'm actually gonna show you guys 3 DIY/tips. I'm making these DIYs for our room. We are redoing the room. If you watch my previous videos, I've told you guys that we are going to be doing big transformations in the room, and I'm right now, actually we did all day filming today. Tomorrow is going to be the day where we decorate the room, so I need to get these DIYs done. As you can see over here, it's dark outside. That means I better hurry, so if I need to get these DIYs done before tomorrow, I better get my butt in gear. Let's get started on this DIY. Elsa, seriously, why? So guys, what you'll need is a lampshade, E6000 glue, and then your diamonds. Elsa, you don't even like diamonds. Our diamonds, our lampshade, and our E6000. Elsa, please, watch out. First, I'm going to be taking off the cover. They come in strips. So what you want to do is take one of your strips and peel them off just like that. Now you have your strip. They're like all stick together by this little like flimsy glue. Well, you're going to turn it on its back. So we're going to keep it like that, and then we're going to get our E6000 E6000 glue. Be careful with this, guys. This stuff really sticks. So just like a dab of it, just like a tiny bit. And just like that, this whole side should be covered in E6000. So now we're going to just take the diamonds right directly in the middle. And then kind of just like pat it down some. Well, I have to fix that, okay? That's a little so lopsided. Okay, now we have to fill in this spot. Now we're going to do the same thing over. Now that we've got all the top done, I'm going to be working on the bottom layer. I just finished the bottom. And now I'm going to go get a light bulb, and I'll show you guys how it looks plugged up. Oh, it is so pretty. When I cut off the switch, you can still see the diamonds in it. It is just gorgeous. It just adds so much character to this little section over here. I can't show you guys this section because it's going to be in next week's video for the room project. Okay, so for the second project, we are going to be transforming this plain light switch into this. We are going to be using glue, and then we're going to be changing it this beautiful sparkly pink. It's so pretty, look. It's like glittery too, like, yes. So you want to place them somewhere where they can get wet with the glue and the glitter. Creep up, why is there always a cat during my DIY project? We're going to go ahead and put the glitter on. Here we go. Now we're going to do this one. We're going to do the same thing. It looks like they're fluffy on the camera, but they're really not. It's just like stacks of glitter. Okay, let's see how they look. They're dry. Wow, that looks great. Then I'm gonna take this glitter, fold it up. I can use this glitter for another project, so I'm going to get out my glitter box again, pour it back in there. I will show you guys the final result. So here are the chairs. They are these fold-up chairs that are gray and just silver on the bottom. They're plain. I got 2 of them. They got these cute like little marks on them. And yeah, the only problem is they're so blah and boring. We are going to be adding some character to these chairs. First starts off with the legs. Let's go fix that. Okay, so I got some old beach towels and I turned them around backwards for you put my chair on. Now you're just gonna put your chair and lay it down on them. You definitely don't want to get the fabric with grass stains and all that disgusting stuff. So make sure you put a towel down before you lay the chairs down. I got Walmart bags wrapped around this whole chair. You want to cover the whole thing, the bottom, so it doesn't get any on the fabric. And you don't really want to paint these. So if you want to put some tape over it, I might go grab some tape to put over it. For the second one, I put a black trash bag over it. Our room theme is going to be a bit of gold, so I got myself some gold. If you guys watched last week's video, you know we painted the stool with gold legs, so I'm using the same gold. You can see the blue tape on all the stoppers, and I got the blue tape here because it's very important to put the blue tape there because that's how it closes the chairs, and you don't want it to be hard closing them since there's paint like making it stop. The guys are watching. Say hello. Hello. Ooh. I like it. Look at that. Now that it's been a whole hour, they are completely dry. I let them dry for a whole hour, and now I'm going to unwrap these beautiful babies, take the hideous trash bags off them and Walmart bags, and then I am going to unwrap them and take them upstairs. Okay guys, so now we're back up in the room and I painted them gold. You can see, oh, they look so much better. I told you guys I was gonna add a final touch to the chairs, so I got this adorable pink pillow to put on one of the chairs. Look at the gold and the pink. Oh my gosh, they go so well together. Here's the other one. I didn't get both pink because I figured we wanted to mix it up a little bit. You guys see it? It's so pretty. Okay, and then this matches with the gold as well. Oh, it's perfect. Look at that, guys. The gold bottoms with the shiny pillows. They just look so good. Oh my goodness, I love it. Love, love, love this. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This was really cool, making 3 different projects for the room, and I can't wait to see how they all look together for next week's video when we show you guys our room and how we redid it. Make sure you subscribe to see next week's video and see how the room turned out. All these cool projects we made in this video and the last video are going to be in next week's video. Okay guys, thank you so much. I'll see you guys next week. You better be there. Subscribe. Bye guys.